Okay everyone, let's continue the practice. Now stand on your knee first. Knee should be one line. Now we do go for the bending first. Now hold your waist with your both hands first. Now lift your right hands up. Inhale. Now tilt your body left side more first. Stretch your arms more. Stretch your right side. Coming center, inhale. Right arms down. Now lift your left hands up. Inhale. Exhale to the right side. Bend more as you can. Coming center, inhale. Exhale, arms down. Now both arms forward. Now inhale, open your both arms, open your chest. Inhale, look up. Exhale, both palms together, chin to chest. One more time, inhale, open your chest. Look up. Exhale. Now both arms down. Now we go for the camel pose. Now hold your both ankles with your both hands. Now hold your left ankles with your left hands. Right arms forward, inhale. Hold your other ankles, right ankles with your right hands. Lift your hips should be forward. Now drop your head back. Keep normal breathing. If you are beginning, you can lift your legs up. If you are advanced, you can drop your legs down and hips should be forward. Keep normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Coming center, inhale. Exhale. Go forward. Make a child pose few seconds. Relax your back. Now come up. Come on knee. Stand on the knee. Now right leg forward. 90-degree angles. Now lift your both arms up. Inhale. Now both palms together. We go for the twisting first. Now twist your body right side. And look up. Keep normal breathing now. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Coming center, inhale. Exhale, arms down. Now interlock your both fingers on the back side. Exhale, go down. Drop your head down. Arms up. Stretch your arms muscles. Head down. Keep normal breathing now. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Coming center, inhale. Exhale. Now hold your left ankles with your left hands. We go for the backward bending. Lift your right hands up. Open your shoulders. Should be one line. Inhale. Exhale. Go back more as you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming center, inhale. Exhale. Now release your right leg. Left leg forward. Now both palms together. Inhale. Now exhale. Twist your body left side. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Coming center, inhale. Exhale, arms down. Now we go for the forward bending. Cross your both fingers on the back side. Leg should be 90-degree left leg. Inhale. Exhale, go down. Arms up. Stretch your arms muscles. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Coming center, inhale. Exhale. Now we go for the backward bending. Hold your right ankles with your right hands. Open your chest. Left hands back. Inhale. Lift your left hands up. Drop your head back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale, arms down. Now release your left leg. Make a child pose few seconds. Now coming center again. Now right leg, right side. Drop your right legs, both legs in a one line. Now lift your both arms up, cross your both fingers. Now again bend your back, bend more forward, right side. 5, look up. 5, 4, stretch your both arms. 4, open your chest. 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale, arms down. Now hold your right ankles with your right hands. Lift your left hands up. Inhale. Exhale. Keep normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale. Now again lift your both arms up. Turn your body right side. Now exhale. Go down. Go for the forward bending. Exhale. Keep normal breathing now. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale. Now release your right leg. Left leg, left side. Now inhale, lift your both arms up. Cross your both fingers, tilt your body left side. 5, open your chest. Both legs should be in one line. 5, 4, 3, keep smiling. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale. Now hold your left ankles with your left hands. Open your chest. Inhale. Lift your right hands up over your head. Keep normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale. Now lift your both arms up. Inhale. Turn your body left side. Exhale. Go down forward side. Try to touch your head to knee. Left knee. 5. Keep normal breathing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale. Arms down. Now release your left leg. Now come to cat pose. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Look up. Hips out. Exhale, suck your belly down. Now inhale, coming center. Now we go for the sunbird pose. Now lift your right leg up. Inhale. Lift your left hands forward. 5, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your left hand down, right leg down to the opposite side. Left legs up. Inhale. Lift your right hands forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale. Now we go for another pose. Now right leg up. Bend your elbows slightly. Drop your chin and chest on the floor. Slightly go forward. Inhale. Exhale. Lift your right leg up. Look up. 5, 4, 3. Elbow should be in your body. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your right leg. Come to cat pose. Now opposite leg. Lift your left leg up. Inhale. Bend your elbows slightly. Drop your chin on the floor. Chest on the floor. Elbow should be nearby your body. 5, legs up. Legs should be straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your left leg down. Come to cat pose. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now inhale, coming center. Now drop your both elbow on the floor. Now right hands under your left arms. Now drop your head on the floor. Lift your left hands up first. Look at your left arms. Keep normal breathings. 5. Twist your back more. Twist your body. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Opposite side. Now both elbow on the floor. Left hands under your right arms. Drop your head on the floor. Lift your right hands up. 5. Twist your back more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Come to cat pose. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. We go for the advance. Drop your both elbow on the floor. Now right hands under your left arms. Drop your head on the floor. Lift your left hands up. Inhale. Now lift your left legs up. Hold your left legs with your left hands. Lift your legs up more. Keep normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your left leg down. Come up again to the opposite side. Keep normal breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Now left hands under your right arms. Drop your head on the floor. Right hands up. Lift your right legs up. Hold your right ankles or right foot with your right hands. And legs up. 5, 4, 3. Keep normal breathing. 2, and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale. Come to cat pose. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now lift your right leg up. Right leg to right side. Lift your left hands up. Inhale. Left hand to left side. Look forward. With normal breathing. Now release your right leg. Release your left palms. Opposite side. Lift your left leg up. Left leg, left side. Up more. Straight your right left leg. Right arms forward. Stretch your right arms back. Keep normal breathing. Now drop your left leg down. Right arms down. Now inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now left legs to the left side. Left palms in your one line of the left knee. Right leg stretch. Both legs in the same line. Now lift your right hands up over your head. 5. Look up, open your chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 coming center. Right arms down, right legs forward, come to cat pose, opposite side, right leg to the right side, left leg stretch, left knee up. Now both legs in the same line, right arms in your same line of your right knee. Now lift your left hands up over your head, stretch more to the left waist muscles. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Coming center, drop your left palms on the floor, right leg in, left leg come forward. Now relax, make a child pose few seconds.